where the cold gods rise. Born of ice, baptized in war, we are the sons of the North forever. Our names are carved in iron and flame, runes on our skin, giants in our veins. Drakkars ride on waves of foam, our hearts beat like hammers on stone. We conquered the night, defied the skies, with sails like wings and fire in our eyes. Every raid writes fate in blood, on foreign shores we rise like a flood. We are the flames in the storm, the thunder sworn and born. Proud and free we kneel to none, sons of Odin until we're gone. Through fire and steel, our legacy is real. Let the sagas tell our worth. We are the sons of the North. In golden halls of Asgard's flame, we'll drink to battles in Odin's name. For to die with sword held high is to live again in the gods' sky. The gods look down on fearless hearts, for only the brave earn their parts. And if the sea claims flesh and bone, our spirits sail to northern thrones. We are the flames in the storm, the thunder sworn and born. Proud and free we kneel to none, sons of Odin until we're gone. Through fire and steel, our legacy is real. Let the sagas tell our worth. We are the sons of the North. And when the end has come, a horn shall sound like a funeral drum. The sky will bleed across our brow, and the gods will know us now.